mission to catch whoever has been down here snagging muskie. First of all, you're not supposed to snag a muskie. It's a game fish. Kentucky regulations state that you must turn all game fish loose that you have snagged immediately. And second of all, they're snagging well under the limit of the distance from the dam that you're supposed to be when you snag fish, and you're only supposed to snag rough fish, and the snagging season for rough fish is over. So these guys are just double and triple whammy, and to my understanding, they have caught 7 or 8 fish. I don't know if it's these guys. I've got down here kind of late, but I'm gonna go see who all's doing it. There you go. Them boys still down here snagging them muskies? Yeah, oh yeah. I called DNR on them too. That's illegal.
Just hurts us.
Yeah, it really does. God, you are on them, son. I told my buddy, I said, that's the first time I've ever called DNR on anybody. But people keep them all the time, that don't bother me, but if you're keeping 3 or 4 per person per day, son, that's just ignorant. Yeah. Good. Man, that was a good hit. I saw that. Well, man, I'm gonna go put my kayak in and float downstream.
All right, good luck.
Yeah, you all have a good one. Fishing for walleye, bass, muskie, whales, barracuda, basically anything that'll bite. The water temperature was like 55 degrees last week, but they have started pulling it from a different area of the lake, and they shut down most of the water flow, so it's in mid-70s right now. We had an issue up there, people snagging muskie earlier, but DNR was called and hopefully took care of it. I've got a couple of different things today. I've got my Curado 70 on a 7-foot Avid I'm going to be fishing jigs with. Got my Van Staal St. Croix with Ned rigs, and I'll be throwing from muskie as well. Hopefully we'll do pretty good today. Kind of overloaded with equipment, but I'll be ready for anything that hits though. So I ended up switching to a Z-Man hula stick on an Arky's weighted hook. Hook's still really, really sharp. I think I'm just going to throw that in there. Cool. Poaching muskies is going crazy. I can hear my phone in there just going wild right now. But, I mean, if anybody has anything to say about it, I don't care. I'll be the first person to turn somebody in for poaching muskie. For snagging muskie. It's not right. See, there's something. Ooh. What a nice bass. That was what was swimming over there. Nice. Not a first bad bass today. Look at that chunker. Good Lord. My friend. Very nice. That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Pretty sure there's a tornado coming or something. Like I'm legitimately starting to second guess myself being out here. There's a lot of thunder over there. Getting ready to get rained on. I'm gonna head up to the Jeep so this blows over, pull the Jeep down here. Well, it's a good thing I got off the water. A bolt of lightning just hit right over there in that field, it looked like. I'm looking at the special weather statements. Well, just sitting here watching the radar, watching the weather. I don't think I'm gonna get a full trip in today, but if this weather lets up, I will go down and fish for a while. I just hope they don't freaking raise the spillway on me. Yeah, that water's definitely colder than it was. Never really kayak fished in the rain before. I thought the lightning was done. Good grief. Oh man. Such a bummer that the water got so cloudy. Maybe it'll help me out with the fishing though. It's pretty out now. Just a little muddy. I don't think that was just ticking on the branches. Nice. Waiting on a fish like you, honey. Yeah. Check that out. Gotta be a bass in here somewhere. So the fishing's starting to heat up as the day goes, well, as it turns to night. Sorry, I'm really tired. But I think I'm going to fish for bass from here on out. I may throw for muskie a little bit on up the river, but I just caught 4 or 3 nice bass back to back, so we'll keep fishing for bass for a bit. Man, I thought I would have figured there'd been a big old smallmouth in there. I'll take it. I gotta get going, Bubba. You took long enough, didn't you? Thank you, though. Time to switch batteries and head back. Time to text Sierra, let her know where I'm at, and then head home. Thank you for watching my little short fishing trip. I definitely got cut short for the lightning. You know, I was kind of worried about them letting water out of the dam. What with a little bit of rain we got, you know, it's kind of a, I don't know, helter-skelter sometimes when it comes to, you know, a little bit of rainfall and a lot of opening the dam. I don't know the reasoning behind how they or what they do, but sometimes, you know, in the middle of the day I've gotten down there and they'll open the dam wide open. So I'm glad they didn't do that while I was on the water. But yeah, and about the beginning of the video, I'm usually not some vigilante. I don't go out looking for people counting fish on stringers or stuff like that, but when my buddy sent me those pictures that were taken at the spillway that morning and said that there were people down there snagging muskie, and you know, the guy down fishing down there said, yeah, you know, they're going up, they're throwing the muskie in their trunk, they're coming down, putting more on stringers, and you know, everybody's keeping you know, several muskie and taking it by illegal means. It just kills me. You know, because the water's really clear and just you could see muskie swimming everywhere down there ever since they shut down the dam to, you know, very little water outflow, and it just kills me. You know, it's unsportsmanlike, and I don't like it. So hope you all don't think that I'm some, you know, high and mighty wannabe game warden, because I'm not. But I will stand up for what I believe in, and I will protect a fishery if I feel it's threatened. And you know, unfortunately today, I don't think those people were caught when DNR was called on them, but I was hoping to get them on film, and I didn't. But you know, hopefully there's not a next time. I know there will be, though, and hopefully I'm down there to get it on video and get some plate numbers and get some justice done. You know, I've got the number of a game warden around here, and he said to give him a call whenever stuff like that happens again. But anyways, I have a underwater camera or light for my GoPro that I'm so excited. It's supposed to be here any day now, and I really, now that they've shut the water off down there at the spillway and everywhere, I really want to just start doing a lot of underwater filming. And it's gonna happen. It'll probably happen this weekend or next week, and it's gonna be very little editing. It's just gonna be me dropping a camera down in the water and watching fish. And I also want to get underwater footage of a muskie hitting a live bait, and underwater footage of just different fish hitting, you know, live bait. So look forward to that, and stay tuned, because that's all coming very soon. Thanks for watching.